Blizzard conditions are expected to return overnight, with snowfall rates reaching up to 3 inches per hour. Forecasters warn that parts of the Northeast and Great Lakes could see explosive snow growth as moisture collides with Arctic air. Visibility may drop to near zero as winds intensify, creating dangerous whiteout conditions. Road crews warn they may be unable to keep up as snow accumulates faster than it can be cleared. Emergency officials are advising residents to stay indoors and avoid travel during peak snowfall hours. This storm could create life-threatening conditions in a matter of hours as winter weather rapidly intensifies. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.